Yep.
Okay. And now, yesterday what we did, right? I mean, a long back I didn't observe that saying always we have to run BDT Cucumber, okay, with
Mm-hmm.
Marvin. Then only we'll get the full report as per the expectation. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
what I did earlier, 10 times I tried, but it's not coming, and I researched completely, found that we have
Mm-hmm.
to run that completely the Maven. Now, what I can do now, okay, right click on this project and I'll move to this particular workspace folder. Let it be, it's bit slow for a few minutes, I'm not sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, show in System Explorer. It will give the path, okay, it will open. From there,
Mm-hmm.
directly I can go ahead and open this MD
Mm-hmm.
command here.
Mm-hmm.
Now, here MVN clean verify, I need to put, or
Verify
else,
spelling wrong, I think so. Yeah.
yeah, I'll do that, okay,
Mm.
verify. If
Yeah.
I put like this, what will happen? Okay, I'll explain that scenario. Let me tell you. See, if I give that Marvin MVN clean or MVN test, what will happen, right? It will clean and it will test it. But to
Okay.
generate the report, that master net dot master dot something is there, right? You're able to see the plugin. Here,
Yes, yes.
executions, okay, what is the execution phase is the goal is has to be generate and
Mm.
execution is verify. So
Okay.
the phase we have to verify, then only it will generate the VDT
Report.
Cucumber JVM reports. Hope this is
Okay.
clear. And
Okay.
whatever the data, whatever the files we are using earlier, everything is working as expected. But only the problem with the, like, how can I say? We are not working together with the Maven. Whenever we are working to the Maven, it should fine.
Mm. Okay.
Now let me clean verify. See, you can observe. Let me first clean it. Okay, MVN clean.
Mm.
Then what it will do? Just it will refresh this target folder and it will give the result.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm.
not sure it's happening. Its build got succeeded. Get my
Mm.
point, right? Let me
Yes,
refresh.
yes.
Now you're able to see, right? It's got completely refreshed and empty.
Mm.
Now
Mm.
what I will do, MVN test. Okay, just observe
Mm.
that. If you
Mm.
give MVN test, okay, it won't create uh, the reports, but we can achieve the same thing after giving the verify. So if you do this, okay, we have to we have to give 3 times. MVN
Mm-hmm.
clean, we have to do that first. Then MVN test, we have to do that. After that, MVN verify, we have to do that. 3 times we have to give the command. Then only
Okay.
we will get the report. But instead of that, what we will do, we will have a single shot, okay, a single command which will give the report. We'll see that. Okay. Now
Okay.
just observe one step. Step. See, clean in the sense it's cleaning everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, the target folder, build folder. Next thing is MVN test. Okay, it is executing the test cases.
Mm.
Sorry. Okay, then after that what will happen, if you give MVN verify, then it will verify and it will generate the report. Now we are good with the execution.
Mm.
It is saying that finally it will say build success. Okay, build
Yes.
succeeded.
Yeah.
Now if you go ahead and check that, okay, here just I'm going to refresh. Okay, if you see now everything is there, but we are not able to see that actual Cucumber JVM reports what we are expecting. Getting my point?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Now, for that preparation, what we have to do, MVN verify.
Okay.
Now, what
Okay.
this verify will do, right? Once the execution is happened and it's give the results on completely the
Mm.
Cucumber JSON. After giving the results in Cucumber JSON, what will happen? Okay, this will be act as the, like, from here it will get the data and it will display the result, or it will make the result, or it will generate the reports by using this plugin. Now you are getting my point.
Okay.
This is the proof. Now let me go ahead and do that MVN verify. Now it won't run. I mean, the test case is already executed. Just it will generate the report from the by using Cucumber JSON file.
Okay.
Oh, okay, but yesterday
It
I
is
did that one.
running.
I think not required. Okay, let's see. I mean, it's running again. If I do like MVN verify, MVN test, right? I mean, again it's taking this much. We'll see together what my expectation is. I'm not sure. Okay, if I give MVN verify, MVN first MVN test, then MVN verify, it should give the result. But if you give directly the MVN verify, what will happen? It will depends on the test, and automatically the test will be executed. Okay, then it is giving the result.
Yes.
Okay. Going forward, what we can do directly, we have to clean that and we have to verify. Means MVN clean verify, we can put the command within a single time. Then you will get the report. Now see the build got succeeded, whatever this scene. Okay, after this one, some plugin jars, building jars, something it will be happen, right? Snapshot, you're able to see that. After this one, the JSON file report will be there. You're able to see, right? Then okay, here you're able to about generating the Cucumber report. Okay, actually test is completed for this part. You're able to see, right? Test 100 errors means everything got passed. Okay, but after this step, the info from here, what is happening, right? The snapshot it is getting, I mean the jar which we are getting, and second one is in this step only, Cucumber report 5.5.1, 5.0.0 execution. It is an execution stage where we are getting the, like this is the reporting file. I mean contains one feature. You're able to see, right? This particular report, Cucumber JSON. Then we are able to get the report. Build got succeeded. Now let me go ahead and refresh it. Okay, you will find the report. Now we are able to see something, right?
Yes. Cucumber HTML report. Yes.
Now let me open the same thing within the here. I mean workspace. Now we are able to see this, right?
Yes.
Now here always better to go for steps. Okay, or steps or features or anything. But all these things are having internal link. I'll show you. Overview of features we have to open by default. Okay, if you see, right, tags is there, steps is there, values are there. The same failure at steps.html, tags.html, report features, something like that. Getting my point? Now, if you open a BDD sample, what is your project name? You can consider that, and the number of items you run only one time. The date and time it will be like 22 April, 22nd April. Okay, 6:39 I ran. Getting my point? And after that, if you see that tags, what are the tags I ran it, right? Regression only I put as the regression. If I have more than one tag also, it will be pointed to each other and it will say, okay, these are the steps and these are the scenario. Step definitions, right? Completely you are able to see like what are the orientation, like something, the steps it will be completely decided. Okay, and the registration is the steps is the class name and this is the method name. Class name and method name, like that it will be. All these things are executed. And these are the total time and duration, something average duration, ratio, 100% is executed. Okay, and if you see that failures, it won't become, because see, we have no failed test cases like that. Okay, now what we can do, this is one type of report. Okay, I mean this is only pass, and if you see this, right, I mean the features. I'm calling as the feature name. Why see here? Let's say for example, let me open the feature file what we wrote. Okay, registration feature. Okay, here what is the feature name is there? The same feature name will be displayed under this one.
Okay.
Getting my point? And how many steps are there from 6 to 16? This one 10 steps are there. Means it is called as the 10 steps. All 10 got passed, 100%. no failures are there, no script are there, pending, undefined, nothing is there. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Now, what I will do, quantitatively, this is about the like fully, how can I say, passed report. Now I'm going to do what I'm going to do now. Quantitatively, I'll change something, and I'll make it is fail.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Send keys, last name, continue button,
Password.
right?
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah. Let me complete it. Okay. I'll put some at the end. Okay. I'll try to come and fail something.
Okay. Okay.
Now, see, I'm giving a assert true, but the form passing as the false. What it will do? Wantedly, it will fail something. Now, let me run it again. See now what I can do. First of all, instead of Maven verify, MVN clean verify I'm putting.
Okay.
Getting my point? First, it will clean the project, then it will generate the report. No, it will clean the project, then it will open the execution. Then finally it will be generate the report. Getting my point?
Okay.
Now I am cleaning it. Now if I go ahead and refresh it, right? I mean after some time, nothing will be there. See, the location is not available. The reason, right? Target itself it's removed and established again. Now it is testing got started. This is how we need to think.
Okay.
We can practice the same thing, but not sure whether it will, it should come actually. I mean, you are able to execute the Maven command, right? I'm not sure.
Yes.
Maven,
I have
did
not
you
installed. No, I have not done. Today I will do and I will execute.
Okay, I'm not sure whether we are able to install Maven or not. I mean, just you can download it, but not sure whether we can put that.
I'm trying to raise a request to have the credentials of admin to add environment variables. If I get the credentials, then I will do that.
Okay, then it's fine. If you're not getting that, right, you can keep this video as your, how can I say, for your reference at any time we can use it.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Try to make this one as well. It should work.
Yeah.
Not sure what happened. Is failing something local version. User session failed to connect local host. Something is the problem with that. Okay, the problem with the site we already showed you, right?
Yes. I just saw it happen.
Let me do the same thing again. Better to have always MV and clean verify. The reason, right? If you change something and if you are not changing anything, also better to clean the complete that target folder, then you can report it again. Now it's moving, right?
Yes.
Sometimes maybe the problem is, other things, not. Again, it will fail. Sure.
We given one failed test, right?
Oh, sorry. That's right.
We given one failure test.
Yes, that's right. Now build got succeeded means its reports got generated. Now go ahead and open this one. Okay. Either see while opening here, right? I mean, you have to do refresh. Okay, but if you go ahead and do that here, I mean, no need any report and amend the refresh. Now, Cucumber JSON, okay, overview. Now we can say completely failed because it's a scenario. Getting my point? It is steps. I mean, see, now over is a session. 9 steps got passed, 1 step got failed. Okay, getting my point, right? This is happening at the end. That's why. Okay, it's not no. I mean, how can I say? Nothing got skipped, nothing got pending, nothing got undefined. Okay, this is how it will be executed. Okay, finally it is saying that 90% steps are got passed. Okay, but the scenarios 100% got failed. The reason, right? This scenario having only steps. Because of that reason, it is failed. Now we can see that failures also will have some data. Okay, you're able to see, right? This is assertion. It's because of the assertion in the create profile page Java 64. Okay, in the button click page. Okay, assertion is failing. Getting my point? So what we have to do, we have to go ahead and check the Java file 64. Okay, this is the one. Okay, is it clear? Now, if you fail in between, right, then remaining steps will be skipped.
Yes.
Let's say, for example, if I fail here, okay, then remaining all fields will be like skipping part. Okay.
Okay.
That is how it will be executed.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, hope this is clear. Quantity I am putting and I am removing. This is how we need to generate the report.
Okay.
Okay, any question here? And one thing I want to understand, did I change anything in this one? I mean, format XML. I didn't do any changes. Okay, some depth something I created, right? Something that I removed. That is one thing. And
sure file.
Earlier,
we added.
Yeah. The depend. Yeah. One second. Okay, in that form file, right? If you see this one, get the dependency. It is like 4.8 having issues. Hence,
hello. Subhagaru, there is a lag. Hello. There is a lag between voice. Hello. Hello.
To understand completely, I mean, what we are trying to understand, and everything is good, right?
Yeah. Yesterday we have added only Surefire plugin, right? Anything we did changes,
yes,
anything
yes. Yesterday, not yesterday, earlier also we have this plugin. Okay, I mean, Surefire plugin, this one. And yesterday, what I did, right? This JUnit depth something I did. Okay, that finally I removed. Okay, that is not required. Only the version, right? I mean, 3.9 it's not working. At the same time, 4.8.2 also not working. Okay, hence I googled it and removed that, and finally updated to 4.11. Okay, then it is working fine. Okay, these are the two things which I made the change, and after that, what we need to understand, we have to generate the report like this. Okay.
Yeah.
And let me try. I mean, is something else which I can do that. Okay, I mean, let's say for example, if I run like a normal way, whether it is created or not. Regarding my point, see, let me run it again from here. Okay. I want to understand and also get something whether the class not form. Okay. For if we feel like this one, right, just to go ahead and clean the project.
Yeah.
Then again you can run it. Once that is done, you can run it again. Let it be still 41%. Now I'm running again, okay? You're able to see, right? Whatever the things is happening here, the same thing also getting there.
Yes.
Now, if you see, right, Maven can be achieved in two ways. I mean, through Eclipse also we can run, but as of now, I'm not running through Maven. We'll see. I mean, I want to understand whether it will be able to generate or not.
Okay. Then why we need to go for Maven? We are having Eclipse, right?
Yeah, that I'll tell the differences. Okay. The
Okay.
reason why I'm telling, right? Sometimes, okay, the plugins are not working properly within the Eclipse. So always better to go for command line. Yesterday I showed you, right? I mean, within if you're
Yes.
executing through, like, how can I say? Here, I mean, I didn't face any issues. But if you're executing the same script via command line, we are facing hell of issues. Okay. Always better to go for command line. That is the standard one which we are going to be.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you see, right, it's completed. And if I go ahead and refresh it, okay, not sure whether the report will be created or not. Now see, the reports are not created. If I do the same thing, let's say for example, if I go ahead like pom.xml and here I can run as mvn test. If I do mvn test also, it won't be like it won't be execute. See, mvn test in the sense again it will generate the test, but where I can give them, where I can get the result. Getting my point, right? So what we have to do, go to run configuration. Okay. Go to run configuration. Here, what you have to do, okay? Here goals or something else. Let me clearly. Project, this is the project, last name, and test methods, all test methods or something like that. Run test with selected package, arguments. Not here, okay? I mean, let's say for example, run commands, run configuration. Okay, here JUnit or Maven something. Maven build. Okay, we have to select as the Maven build. Okay. Getting my point, right? Base directory again we have to give like a cucumber. Okay, whatever the file we have, and after that goal is there right here. You're able to see something. Goal is like clean verify. Means here what it will do, you don't want to give any Maven. Okay, sometimes it is required, sometimes it's not required. We'll apply and we'll run it. Okay, here what we can say like a BDT configuration. Something I can put. Okay, apply and run. We'll see what will happen.
Okay.
You're able to see, right, how the same thing is happening within here, right? I mean, command line, the same thing will happen here, but here compilation will come and this is how you have to target. Now, if you see no compiler is provided instead of JRE, then JDK something is getting. Getting my point? How to overcome this? This is how people are wasting their time in general. Very simple. What you have to do? Okay, go ahead and check the preferences window, preferences. Here installed JRE or Java within that installed JRE is there. Here JRE is there. Here we should not run anything from the JRE. We should always go ahead and check with the JDK. Getting my point? Now add something, add standard virtual machine. Okay. Then libraries, right? Directory where all the software is installed under C. Okay.
Okay.
Let me open a C. Okay. Within that program files, within that Java. Okay. Within that JDK something. You should not go ahead and check the JRE. You have to select the JDK. Within that JDK, JRE will be one more there. That will be select automatically. If you click on something, it will load everything. Okay, let it be low. It's loaded, right? Now finish. Now instead of JRE, we have to like select JDK and we can delete it, the earlier one. See now program file Java JRE. This is the old one. We should not run that by all Maven commands. All Maven should be run through like JDK, not the JRE. So I'm removing this one. I'm putting this one as the add. Okay, you can try this one. There are two ways to run it only, right? One is Maven through command line, or else the second one is the one.
This
you can try it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Apply and close. Now again I can go ahead and check that BDD config. Launching BDD config is internal plugin. JRE does not exist. Okay. So what we have to do again, we need to go ahead and change the like run configuration, because we changed something, right? The JRE is not reflected. What is that? But if you see, right, workspace alternate JRE or something like that, or installed JRE, it will come, it will give everything. Okay, apply and close. Or else workspace default JDK something. This is also we can put. Okay.
Okay.
Then automatically it will give the date. Now apply and run it again. Then it should work. Okay, either normal BDD you can use, command line you can use, or the second way of running this one also, it's fine. But while executing within Eclipse, right, the primary problem is alternate JRE, JDK something, it will problem will come. Always better to go ahead and change the JDK instead of JRE. That is the first step what we need to do.
Okay.
Then while executing Eclipse, right, you should not give the Maven MVN command. Directly you can give the clean verify. That's it. It should go.
Yes.
But if you are doing the same thing from the command line only, you have to give the MVN. MVN in the sense Maven. Okay, the second step you can try within the Eclipse.
Yes.
Now let it be. Now instead of seeing the result here, we can go ahead and check here. The same result will come here. You're getting my point, right? This is how we need to run in like real time. Many ways we can run it, everything. Now see, one ran 0 failures and skipped. Okay, now the cucumber reporting is generating. You're able to see, right? And about the generating cucumber reports, app error, something it's created, build got succeeded. Now what I can do that, I can go ahead and refresh it. After that, I'm able to see the report. Now either you can go ahead and open here, right click and open with web browser. Okay, this is also good. Or else you can open and go ahead and check it. I can copy this path and I can open outside.
Yes.
The same report. This is how we have to like execute. Either two ways. Okay, but if I think second one is better for you, because you don't have permission for the first one, right? You're not able to set that like settings. You are not able to give the path.
Yes.
Because of that reason only, you can go ahead and check with the second one. Okay. Just simply go ahead and check with the like window
run option.
No. This is window preferences. Within the preferences, installed JRE. If you're not getting that, like this, it will come. Okay, Java with just expand Java. Inside that, installed JREs are there. But if you see, right, I mean, earlier there is Java JRE. Now JDK is pointing. Just add it. Okay. Standard virtual machine, VM in the sense virtual machine. Next, okay, give the path of the, like where your computer having that C program drives. I mean, within that program files you should have something, right?
Path of Java, JDK.
Yeah, JDK, not the JRE. Getting my point?
JDK.
Okay, JDK path we have to give and press OK. Canceling now. Then it will load something and finally it will give the result here, and after that you have to select whatever you want and you can delete that if you require. Then apply and okay, after this step what we have to do here, run configuration, just go to run configuration. Okay, then you have to see, always you have to be like even build as the Maven build. Okay, Maven build configuration. Here if you click a new config, if you click double click, right, I mean new configuration will be like this, it will come. Then you have to select a workspace as your directory. You getting my point, right? Project directory, you have to select. Then then okay, what is the goal in the sense, in command line what we are doing, mvn clean verify we are giving. Okay, but in this one we should not give the Maven. We don't, because we are running to Maven here, hence we don't want to give that. Getting my point? Verify is fine. Then if you are doing the change in the first time, that alternative JRE has to be there. First of all, you have to select the alternative JRE or default workspace. If you are already adding, it will become like this. Then apply and run. Then it will be good. And after that, if you want to change the name of the configuration, you can change it. This is how we need to do the things. As of now, I'm discarding everything. I don't want to save it.
Okay.
Then directly you can do run config something, right? I mean, this is how it will come. Then click on RL3 BDD config, like, or else what we can do, not only there, you can run another way like form.xml. Okay, here run as, here something you have to test, like build something is there, right? But if you observe here, Maven build 2 times is there. Like if you see this one, the first one only will work, second one may not work. But if you go ahead and check that, it will be it is very like, how can I say, confusion for you. Okay, don't go with that. Better to go ahead and check with always here after run configuration is there, your configuration should come here. Then you can click on it. Then you should be in a good position.
Okay.
Hope this is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now we pretty much clear on about the complete BDD as well as the reporting generation, and this is the mini project we can say.
Okay.
Okay. And this is called as end project. Within you can say like you are able to generate the report upon page object model you are using, data driven framework you are using, okay, tags you are using, regression suite you are able to use. Okay, and it's kind of hybrid framework which we are going to be using. I can say this is a hybrid framework, or it is a mini project for us to complete our syllabus. Any question here?
No. Okay, clear.
No, right? Now we have like one more thing, Jenkins. We have to do that. Okay, it will take 1 day or 2 days to complete it. Okay, then it and how can I say, Postman. Okay, these are the things are there. We'll try to complete it as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay, you're getting my point, right?
Yes.
And Postman, I will tell only 1 day, because when this is very minor things. Okay, just we can go ahead and that how we can do that. Nothing much.
Okay.
And don't expect much on how can I say, Postman, because people are using rest assured. But how to hit the service and how to do the things, I'll help you. Okay? You will get minimum knowledge on it. But you can expect the minimum knowledge only on Postman. Okay, but I'll explain theoretical part, how to explain everything.
Test assure. Nowadays, what they are using? Test assure. Okay.
Yeah, rest assured only we using. That's why I'll tell you, before doing any rest assured coding, we'll check manually whether the service is working or not. Just I will explain very few things on that, but I'll explain more theoretical part. Okay, if you go ahead and check that, you can read many things on that.
Okay.
And Git also is there. I mean, tomorrow, right? You can complete this one. Then what I will do, I will create one Git repository in your computer. Okay. Then from there you can put the code, and the Jenkins also I will create in your system as well.
Okay.
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 Okay. Anything else now?
No.
No, right?
No.
As of now, what I'm going to do, I'll stop that. I mean, this is what I have today, and we have 3 more pending topics. Okay, that will cover within this week's max. Okay, and max Sunday also. We'll take it and I'll complete it as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay.